To activate eSIM on a Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you have to go to the settings, open connections. Now we have to go for SIM manager and click to add eSIM. We can find three activation methods. First of all, you have to click to scan a QR code. And as you can see, if you receive the eSIM QR code on your email, you can just simply scan this. Or if you receive the activation code, you have to click here and input the code. So in my case, the code looks like this. And I have to just manually click here and input this code. But of course, I'm gonna just use the QR code because this is the fastest method. So I'm gonna align like so. It's checking the SIM information. And as you can see now, all I have to do is just to click add. Now we have to wait for this adding process. Now as you can see, the eSIM profile is activated and we can even customize it by changing its name and icon. Now when you click next, you can set SIM preferences for calls, messages, and mobile data. And as you can see, now the eSIM is available over here. You can check its information and you can quickly turn it on and off.